Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through the steps to replace the brake control cable running from the safety bar to the engine on this lawnmower. Now with my machine here, when I press the bar against the handle, the mower will not start. And not only that, pressing the bar against the handle is a bit more difficult than normal. Kind of feels like it's a bit seized up. On closer inspection, the safety cable is attached to this kill lever and it doesn't move as freely as it used to. This is how it should work. To remove the cable, I used a pair of needle nose pliers to squeeze the plastic coupling until it released. On the handle end, remove the cable connector and then pop off the coupling. Here we have the new cable and it's slightly longer than the previous one. I'll add a link for mine in the description, and make sure that the length and the ends match up to your original cable before purchasing the new one. So starting on the handle end, feed the cable through the hole and into the designated spot on the safety bar. Snap the coupler into place to secure it. Follow the same process on the engine side. Insert the end of the cable into the mount and slide the cable into place and snap the coupler in so it's secure. After a quick test, we are ready to try starting that engine. Okay, cool. Looks like we're back in business. I'd recommend using a couple of zip ties to secure the cable to the handle shaft. Again, links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Show your support by subscribing. It really helps my channel grow so I can keep producing videos like this one. Thanks for watching.